Ito pong Annex A ay in-extract namin doon sa original document na nasa Annex H. Dahil ang binigay po sa amin ay yung bali ganito po, no? Aside sa isang soft copy, ang binigay po sa amin ni Ginoong De Mesa ay ganito po na dokumento. So mahaba po siya.
Yung
So-
kabuuan po yan, yung Annex H.
Yes.
Yung
Ito po,
kabuuan, actually, ang parang kompleto. Yun po ang sinasabi nyo.
Opo.
At ito
yes,
pong Annex A ay alin naman po
Ito
as
naman-
extracted from that?
In-extract po ito lahat po ng naideposito o nag-credits doon sa joint account ni Sara Duterte at ni Rodrigo Duterte po.
Okay,
Your Honor.
wala pa po ba yung...
Secretariat, may we know if we have the Annex A already ready to be flashed in the screen? They will be flashing it soon.
Diyan po. Habang nandito po, Madam Chair,
Yeah.
ang Executive Director ng AMLC, I would like to direct some questions to him as well. Gusto ko po sanang ipa-verify sa Honorable Executive Director ang ilan. Pipili po ako ng 5. Parang may pagka-random po yung pagkakapili ko ng 5 na mga entries dito sa Annex A na siyang summary ng mga deposito o mga inter-account transfers na indineposito sa mga accounts ni Rodrigo Duterte at Sara Duterte. Maaari ho bang gawin yon, yung pag-verify sa dala-dala nyo na records?
Naisabit ko na po, Madam Chair, yung records.
But if this is part of your report, perhaps you can verify.
If there are specifics that I can
Yes.
check with the report, if it's part of the report.
If the accounts are, if the transactions are part of the subpoenaed documents of AMLC, I think the executive director can confirm whether or not the same pertains to the same transaction.
Halimbawa po, Annex A, number 9 po sa listahan. Base po dito,
Annex A number 9.
Annex A, number 9 ng listahan po. Mayroong pumasok na mahigit 55 million or exact amount 55,131,747.32 noong March 26, 2014.
Can we mark number 9?
It's
There.
March 28, Your Honor.
Oh yes, I stand corrected. It's March 28. So mako-confirm niyo ho ba?
Please limit your confirmation to whatever appears only in the report of the AMLC.
Base po ba sa documents na sinabmit ninyo sa committee, ang transaction ito ba ay nasa suspicious or covered transactions report ninyo?
Madam Chair, what I have with me are just copies of the financial reports. The CTRs and STRs were actually submitted already. This involved the voluminous accounts. If we want, we can go over this and check these accounts specifically if just to confirm whether there is this transaction or not.
Perhaps you can ask some of the AMLC officials to do the confirmation. Kong Laila, since there are voluminous records, where to check the identified transactions from the attachment of Senator Trillanes, perhaps we can advance
Yeah.
the transactions which you want to be confirmed. And
Yes,
then they will be
actually-
checking.
Actually, I've chosen only 5 each. 5 entries of each of these annexes para hindi naman po marami yung i-confirm ng ating AMLAC. So, for Annex A, ito po ang
Closer to the microphone, ma'am.
ito po ang gusto ko po sanang ipa-confirm kung kasama ang mga transaksyon ito sa suspicious or covered transactions report nila. So number 1 is the page 1, number 9 sa listahan, 55 million noong March 28, 2014. Next would be same page, page 1, number 16 sa listahan. Meron ho bang pumasok na mahigit 41 million? Exact amount, 41,721,035.62 noong October 2, 2013. Next would be sa page 3 ng Annex A, number 44 sa listahan sa halagang mahigit 53 million. Exact is 53,817,613.48 noong February 25, 2010. Next would be page 4. So ito po yung pang-apat. Number 60 sa listahan. Mayroon po bang pumasok na mahigit 52 million? Exact amount is 52,485,191.85 noong April 14, 2009. And then the fifth one. So sabi ko nga po, pumili lang po tayo dito. Pumili lang po ako ng 5. Sa dami po niyan, there are about 71 listed entries in Annex A. So page 4 din po, number 64 sa listahan. Mayroon po bang pumasok na mahigit 49 million? Ang eksakto pong amount, 49,281,009.98 noong 22 May 2007. Yun po sa Annex 1.
Madam
Didi?
Chair, can we be given a bit of
Yes.
time, and then we'll revert, we'll just check one by one.
The Honorable De Lima can proceed to the next clarificatory question. We'll go back to that after they are able to confirm from their records.
Yes, Madam Chair. So let's proceed to Annex B.
So this is also confirmation of transactions?
Confirmation but some preliminary question lang po. Isang preliminary question lang po kay Senator Trillanes.
You
for
may
this.
proceed.
So sa Annex B nyo po, balikan po natin na nabanggit nyo rin po sa paragraph 12 ng inyong sinumpaang salaysay na may mahigit 111 million piso o eksakto 111,634,144.05 as of April 2016, nakabuang value ng pumasok na transaksyon sa mga joint bank accounts ng mag-asawang Sara Duterte at Mans Carpio at mga joint accounts kasama ang iba pang miyembro ng pamilya Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nabanggit rin niyo po na mayroon kayong summary ng mga pera o transaksyong pumasok at dumaloy sa joint account ng mag-asawa at joint accounts kasamang iba pang miyembro ng Duterte family. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito ay naka-attach bilang Annex B ng inyong affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, maari po ba nating ipakita rin ang Annex B sa screen?
Secretariat, please flash Annex B of the sinumpaang salaysay of Senator Trillanes.
At yun ba ho bang Annex B? Ganon din po kanina. Nasabi niyo po ay in-extract yun sa Annex H, yung pinakakumpleto na mga transaksyon.
Yes, Your Honor.
At sino rin po ang gumawa nito?
Yun din pong aming mga financial specialist and lawyers at staff po, Your Honor.
With respect po sa Annex A, just like sa Annex B, just like sa Annex A po, ito rin po ang ipapa-confirma ko sa
Amla, please
AMLC.
take note of the transactions which will be mentioned by the Honorable De Lima for your verification and confirmation.
5 rin po ito. Sa page 1, row 5, mayroong 2.5 million pesos na pumasok sa noong June 11, 2015. Next would be page 2, row number 19, mayroong pumasok na 2,987,542.24 noong December 6, 2013. Under the name Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte. Pang-apat po, ay pangatlo po, sa page 2, rin po, row number 20, meron ho bang pumasok na 2,926,594 noong January 31, 2012. Pang-apat po, page 3, row number 31. Meron ho bang pumasok? 2,1,563.86 noong May 19, 2010. Ganon din po sa mga pangalan nila Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte. Panglima pong napili ko na numero, na entry po, sa page 3, row number 38, meron ho bang pumasok na mahigit 2 milyong piso? Or 2 million, or the exact figure is 2,114,168.43 noong May 14, 2008. Yun po yung 5 insofar as Annex B is concerned. I'll proceed to Annex H. Senator Trillanes,
Yes, Your Honor.
nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na sa paragraph 22 ng inyong salaysay na mayroon din kayong summary ng mga transaksyon, paglabas at pagpasok ng pera sa mga bangko ni Sara Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte, Pulong Duterte, Baste Duterte, at ng common law wife ni Rodrigo Duterte na si Honilet Avancenia kasama ang kanilang anak na si Kitty Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito ang dokumentong naka-attach bilang Annexes H and Sub-Annexes Inclusive ng inyong salaysay.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung sinasabi nating master list or master table.
Yes, Your Honor.
So maaari rin po ba nating ipakita, Madam Chair, sa screen yung Annex H?
It's already in the screen, Honorable De Lima.
Salamat po. So sa AMLAC sa AMLAC naman po, ito naman po yung gusto kong ipa-confirm. Again, this is rather randomly actually. yung
AMLC,
pagkapili ko
please
po
take
dito.
note of the transactions.
Sa page 4, mayroon daw inter-account transfer sa halagang 16,852,832.94 noong December 9, 2014. Next, sa page 5 po, nakalista rin ang inter-account transfer in the amount of 41,721,035.62 noong March 28, 2014 na pumasok sa bank account ni Sara Duterte at ni Rodrigo Duterte. Next would be, nakalista po itong debit memo sa page 9 ng dokumento in the amount of 1 million pesos under the name Sara Duterte. Meron po bang transaksyon na ito sa records ninyo? Next, sa page 10 ng Annex H, mayroong cash deposit na halagang 1,750,617.84 sa pangalan ni Sara Duterte noong March 3, 2011. Next, the fourth one, sa page 11, naman po ng Annex H, mayroong debit memo sa halagang mahigit 2 milyon, 2,1,563.86 sa pangalang Sebastian Duterte, sa account nila Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte. Meron ho ba transaksyon ito sa inyong mga flag transactions na isinumite sa committee? And last, for Annex H, page 12 naman po. Another example, mayroong credit memo sa halagang 10,374,307.49 sa pangalang Sara Duterte at Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kasama rin ho ba ito sa mga flag transactions? I wish to point out, Madam Chair, na sa pagpili ko po dito ng mga parang mga random entries, ay hindi ko na po siyempre sinama yung mga napili ko rin doon sa Annex A and Annex B dahil ito nga pong Annex H is already the master table. Senator Trillanes, sa paragraph 23 po ng inyong sinumpaang salaysay, nabanggit nyo rin na base sa impormasyong inyong nakalap tumanggap ng pera o nag-encash ng cheque si Sara Duterte at iba pang miyembro ng kanyang pamilya mula sa isang kilalang drug lord na si Sammy Uy o Samuel Uy. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito ay naka-attach bilang Annex I ng inyong affidavit. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
May we flash again, may we flash also, Madam Chair, Annex I on the screen.
Secretariat, kindly flash Annex I. Annex I of the affidavit, please. Secretariat, please flash. Secretariat is requesting for few minutes. There.
Opo. Alala ko rin po, nabanggit nyo, na itong mga transaksyon na ito, mga entries na ito, para na ang recipient ay si Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Sebastian Duterte, Paulo Duterte, at Chelito Avancenia, na supposedly galing kay Samuel Uy, kilalang drug lord na si Samuel Sasami o Samuel Uy. Mga nasa manager's checks po ito. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At kapansin-pansin din po, na karamihan ng entries dito, kasama na yung, yung kung saan ang recipient ay si Sara Zimmerman Duterte, uniform amount. Di ho ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kay Sara Duterte, yung dated March 17, 2011, October 25, 2011, and April 24, 2011, lahat po yun, yung tatlo na yun, ay in the amounts of 7,440,846.07 uniform amount.
Yes, Your Honor. And same with the one of Digong Duterte as well.
Yeah, two of the three.
Yeah, two of the two.
Kay Digong Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte. Ganon din yung para kina Sebastian Duterte. Mga uniform amounts in manager's checks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganon din po yung kay Paulo Duterte. Uniform amounts. Yung kay Sebastian Duterte po, uniform amounts of 10,316,592.68 or 0.18 or 0.68. At yung kay Paulo Duterte, uniform amounts of 9,703,609.39. At yung naman kay Chelito Avancenia, uniform amounts din po, limang entries po ito, 10,655,371.81. Tama po ba?
Doon po sa kay Hanilet Abansenya, same po yung last three, pero yung first two, less than 1 peso and 50 centavos.
Okay.
Parang ganun po.
Halos pareho.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo.
At i-point out ko lang, Your Honor, na makikita nyo yung pattern ng deposito. Kaya tinawag ko ito na dividendo dahil meron pong pattern yung pag-deposit nila or pag-encash ng manager's check ng April or March tapos October. So, ganun palagi po yung pattern niya. Every 6 or 7 months
Ang pagpasok.
nagbibigay po ng dividendo through manager's check na ang account owner po dito ay si Sammy Uy. Siya po ang account.
Siya ang account
Siya po ang
owner.
account owner. Nag-issue siya ng manager's check sa pangalan po nitong mga bawat miyembro ng pamilya Duterte, Your Honor.
So lahat manager's checks. At ang pangalan ng account, si Samuel Uy.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sa AMLAC naman po, ang gusto ko lang pong ipakonfirm ay yung tatlo na entries para kay Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Amla, please take note.
Nandyan po, naka-flash po yan sa annex sa Annex I, yung kay Sara Duterte, yung tatlo po na ang mga amounts ay 7,440,846.07. Yung una po pumasok ng March 17, 2011. Yung pangalawa po, manager's check din at same amount noong October 25, 2011. At yung pangatlo po, parehong amount noong 24 April 2012. So yun po ang gusto ko po sanang ikumpirma ng AMLAC kung kasama sila doon sa listahan, doon sa mga suspicious transactions.
Amla, please signify once you're ready to answer. And please limit your answer to the queries of the Honorable De Lima as to whether or not they are part of your report. That is to be consistent to the nature of our proceeding. Are you ready?
We are ready partially, Madam Chair, so we can at least...
Okay. Please mention first the amount
The
and
annex.
then whether it's part or not of your report.
Okay, for Annex H, Madam Chair, so to clarify, I am not confirming the report provided by, mentioned earlier because I am not privy whatever the source of that report. What I'm telling is there is a movement of funds on this particular date as reported to us, which is based on the covered transaction or suspicious transaction.
Can we flash again Annex? Is that Annex H?
Annex H, Madam
Annex
Chair.
H. To be responsive to the request of the Honorable De Lima, can you at least say whether that transaction is part of the report of AMLC? Kasama po ba itong transaction na ito sa report ng AMLC na sinumite dito sa Justice Committee?
Madam Chair, given that we are only given limited information, I cannot confirm, for example, what's the nature of the transfer, where is the addressee and all. So what we can
are
only-
not inquiring as to the nature of the transfer, just
Nope.
whether or not that amount appears as well in the report of the AMLC.
I can confirm, Madam Chair, if there is a movement of funds on that same date with the same amount involving the same
That
account.
will
Would
be
fine?
enough.
Okay.
That will be
because
enough.
okay. So for
Madam Chair, to be clarified, no? When you say, pag sinabi po ninyong movement, ibig sabihin, may deposito?
there's
Tama
a
po ba?
transaction. There's a transaction.
From one transaction to another.
Yes, Madam
So, ibig
Chair.
sabihin, may deposito na ganitong amount sa isang bangko, pumasok sa isang bangko. Tama po ba?
We'll have to verify if it is a fund transfer or fund out or deposit.
Nonetheless, please limit your answer to what appears already
Okay.
in the report.
Okay.
So, for the guidance of the members, I think that will be enough response to the query of the Honorable De Lima, that on such date, there is similar transaction appearing in the AMLC report.
Yeah.
Let us be consistent to the nature of our proceeding, that we are merely determining the existence of probable cause.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Next,
So-
please.
For Annex H, can we show again?
Annex H, please flash.
So for December 9, 2014, on our records, based on our records, there is a transaction amounting to 16,852,832.94.
Confirm, Madam Chair.
So similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Next.
For March 28, 2014, there is a transaction amounting to 41,721,035 pesos, 0.62.
In other words, it's confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
For Sige. For May 19, 2010, there is a transaction that we saw in the amount of 2,001,000 pesos 563.86.
Confirm, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
On February 4, 2010, there is a transaction amounting to 10,374,307.49.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear in the report.
Can we get the last in Annex H? The last one we were unable, in page 10, we were unable to capture.
Kindly state the last transaction in Annex H, Honorable De Lima.
10,374,370
We have confirmed
307.49
that
at page 12.
in page 10, Madam Chair,
Page 10.
the transaction in page 10. Wala.
Page 10, that's March 3, 2011,
Alright.
in the
So,
amount of 1,750,617.84.
so we informed that there is a transaction on our records dated March 3, 2011 in the amount of 1,750,617.84.
Confirmed.
Confirm, similar transaction appear in AMLC report.
Then can we ask the last one, the one involving 1 million pesos, the particular date, Madam Chair?
Meron ba? Page 9, 1 million. Dated March 28, 2011. Ay, 1 million? Yes. March 28, 2011.
Okay. We confirm, rather, we inform that there is a transaction in the amount of 1 million on March 28, 2011.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. That's a total of how many transactions, Honorable De Lima?
It's supposed to be 5.
Total of 5 transactions for Annex H, all confirmed by the AMLC. Similar transactions appear in the AMLC report. Are you ready for the next annex?
Yes, Annex I.
Annex I.
That's the one from Samuel Uy, Sami Uy.
Please flash Annex I.
We inform that based on our records, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07 on March 17, 2011.
Confirmed.
For the first transaction, confirm. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
We inform that on October 25, 2011, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
Likewise, confirm for the second transaction. Similar transaction appear in AMLC report. Third,
On April 24, 2012, we informed that there's a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
the third transaction is likewise confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. So this total of 3 transactions appearing in Annex I with the title Sami Uy Payouts to Sara Duterte and Family, all of this were confirmed by the AMLC that similar transactions appear in their report.
Madam Chair,
Point of clarification.
Honorable DS JJ Suarez.
Tama po ba ang pagkaunawa ko na ito pong kinukumpirma ng AMLC ay yung mga lumabas sa sinumpaang salaysay ng ating dating Senador Sonny Trillanes?
That is correct.
So ito po yung mga ilan sa mga bank records na binabanggit. Ngayon po, at nakakailang banggit na po tayo na lumalabas ay tama.
At least similar transactions exist in
Randomly
the
selected.
AMLC report.
These are randomly selected
Yes.
entries. or
Transactions were randomly selected by the Honorable De Lima, and she requested the confirmation of the AMLC whether or not similar transactions appear. And so far, 8 transactions have been confirmed already by the AMLC.
Maraming salamat po,
8
Madam
out
Chair,
of
for the
8.
clarification.
Are you ready to continue, AMLC?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, what
for
annex is that?
Annex B?
Please flash Annex B. First transaction.
So we inform that there is a similar transaction based on our records on June 11, 2015 in the amount of 2,450,000 pesos.
Confirm, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
We inform that on December 6, 2013, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,987,542.24.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the report.
We confirm that on January 31, 2012, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,926,594.60.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear.
We confirm, we inform that on May 19, 2010, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,001,563.86 pesos, centavos.
Third transaction is confirmed.
And we inform that there is a transaction on May 14, 2008 in the amount of 2,114,168.43.
Confirmed again, appearing in the report.
So that's the fifth one po, Madam Chair.
That's
So
the
the
fifth.
last for,
So far
Annex
we
B.
have 13 out of 13 transactions randomly selected by the Honorable De Lima, but confirmed to be existing at least as similar transactions in the AMLC report. Ready to continue, AMLC?
Madam Chair, may we ask the the Congressman De Lima if we can get again the accounts in Annex A? We were not able to jot down.
Annex A.
yes po. Also, these are also 5 transactions. Number 9, page 1 of Annex A. 55,131,747.32 March 28, 2014. Got it po? The second one po, number 16, page 1, 41,721,035.62, October 7, 2013. Third, randomly selected entry at page 3, number 44, page 3, amount of 53,817,613.48, February 25, 2010. Fourth, at page 4, number 60, amount of 52,485,191.85, April 14, 2009. And the fifth one, also at page 4, number 64, 49,281,009.98, May 22, 2007. 5, randomly selected entries from Annex A, joint account of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte.
Do you need more time? Ready to answer?
Yes, Madam Chair.
You may proceed.
We confirm that for all the dates and amounts mentioned, there are similar transactions existing in the AMLC report.
Okay. What annex is this again?
Annex A.
So 5 out of 5 transactions randomly selected by Honorable De Lima from Annex A is confirmed by the AMLC, at least that similar transactions appear in their report. Are there any other subject of confirmations? No more.
Marami po kasi ito, that's why I just randomly selected 5 from each of the annexes.
So in total, how many transactions have been confirmed?
There are 4 annexes, so 5 times 4, 20,
Plus 3.
plus 3.
So total of 23 transactions were subject matter of request for confirmation.
Kasama na po doon yung 3, yung sa
Yes.
Sami Uy. So 20.
23 out
20.
of 23.
Oh, 18.
18.
Sorry po,
You just
18, because Annex A, Annex B, Annex H, and Annex I. So 4, 3 times 5, 1 is only 3. So 18.
Do you confirm that? Total of 18 transactions?
We informed earlier that there are 18 transactions mentioned that
Okay.
that one we mentioned are existing in our report.
So
based on
for
our
the
report
record, 18 out of 18 transactions randomly selected from the annexes of Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC, at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report. That is for the record. Honorable De Lima, do you have further clarificatory questions?
Just a manifestation, Madam Chair, so nakita po natin na na-confirm po ng AMLAC yung mga entries na randomly selected from the annexes.